To get good meat, you need good livestock. To get good livestock, you need good feed. To get good feed phosphate, well, you need Simphos 21P. Simphos 21P is 100% pure dicalcium phosphate. It is produced by fully reacting phosphoric acid with a premium white limestone calcium source, offering a highly bioavailable form of phosphorus. Simphos 21P is not a blend or mixed feed supplement. There's no filler like calcite, which can throw off the nutritional balance. The consistent quality of Simphos 21P isn't from an artificial coating, but from the high-quality ore mined from a large, rich reserve of phosphate rock at Simplot's mine in Vernal, Utah. From a fine slurry, the phosphate is dried, manufactured, and granulated to a consistent particle size that facilitates uniform blending with other ingredients. It is then loaded onto trains or trucks and delivered to our customers. And since it's free of filler, Simphos 21P emits less dust, so nutrient levels are preserved through handling and transit. It's a quality and consistency we maintain from the mine through every step of the manufacturing process. Simphos 21P is a quality, calcium-enriched phosphate that delivers the nutrients essential to the growth of your animals and your business. Big results start with quality ingredients. Simphos 21P from the J.R. Simplot Company.